In this video, we'll take a look at the redesigned help, integrations, and tools pages in the BuddyBoss platform. These updates introduce a cleaner interface, improved navigation, and new features to help you find resources, manage integrations, and maintain your community more efficiently. Let's get started. First is the redesigned help page, bringing support resources and documentation together in one place. At the top of the page, you'll find a search bar that helps you quickly locate articles from the BuddyBoss knowledge base without leaving your dashboard. Next is support ticket. Please note that you cannot submit a ticket directly from the help page. Instead, it provides quick access to our support portal, where you can reach the BuddyBoss support team whenever you need assistance. Another new addition is support access. Support access lets you securely grant our support team temporary access to your website without sharing your login credentials. This helps keep your site more secure and removes the need to create additional admin accounts unnecessarily. Simply enable support access, enter your ticket number, and submit it. A secure temporary access link will be generated for our support team to use while investigating your issue. You can choose how long the access remains active, extend the duration if needed, or end the session at any time. Every session is logged, giving you complete visibility into when access was granted and used. Further down the page, you'll find the knowledge base, organized into categories including platform, theme, app integrations, advanced setup, and troubleshooting. If you need additional guidance, Buddy AI is also available to help answer questions and direct you to relevant documentation. Together, these improvements make it easier to find answers, contact support, and access helpful resources from a single location. Next is the redesigned integrations page. Integrations are now displayed in a clean card layout, making it easier to browse available plugins and discover new ways to extend your BuddyBoss community. Each card includes the integration name, publisher, a brief description, and quick installation controls. You can quickly locate integrations using the search bar, browse by category, or filter between all, free, and pro integrations. Selecting an integration opens a dedicated details view with additional information about its capabilities and supported workflows. Feature highlights and visual examples help you better understand how each integration works before installing it. The redesigned experience makes discovering, evaluating, and installing integrations faster and more intuitive. Lastly, the tools page has also been redesigned and is now located under BuddyBoss Settings Tools. The page is organized into 3 dedicated sections: Repair Platform, Sample Data, and Migration Tools. Repair Platform helps restore data consistency by recalculating items such as member counts, profile information, groups, and other platform data whenever needed. Sample data allows you to populate a new site with demo members, groups, activity, forums, and other content, making it easier to test and build your community before launch. When you're ready, you can remove the sample content and begin adding your own. Migration Tools brings all of BuddyBoss's migration utilities together in one place. Whether you're migrating from another community platform or importing supported forum data, you can manage the migration process from a single location. With these improvements, essential maintenance and migration tools are easier to find and manage from a single location. These redesigned pages provide a more streamlined experience across the BuddyBoss platform, making it easier to find support, manage integrations, and maintain your community. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the BuddyBoss YouTube channel for more product updates, tutorials, and community building tips.